Go to the home page excelfeeds.com. Click on Download. You will see two download buttons. Use the first button if your Excel is 32-bit. Use the second button if your Excel is 64-bit. Scroll down for instructions on how to find out what your Excel is. Click on the download icon of your browser. And click on the received file. If prompted, click Install anyway. Go through the usual installation steps. Start Excel. Open a blank workbook. Click on the Excel Feeds ribbon item. Click on the Load Excel Feeds button. Select the Request Trial option. Enter your email address. Click OK. OK again. Click Cancel. Click OK. And close Excel. Start Excel again. Open a blank workbook. Click on the Excel Feeds ribbon item. Click on the Load Excel Feeds button. Select the Enter Activation Code option. Enter the activation code you received per email. Enter a made-up password. And your email address. Click OK. OK again. That's it. The trial license is now activated. Let's try to test if live feeds can be fetched. Click on the YF light bulb to see if live feeds from Yahoo Finance can be displayed. Success.